Harrison with Transwest Mold Department. I've been with the department for 2 years here, coming up in August. I've been a mobile diesel tech 2 years here for Transwest and 2 years here back home. The training here is probably the best you will find. It's all through the dealer. It is all Daimler based. You get training on Cummins, Detroit, Freightliner, the transmissions. Really the sky's the limit when it comes to training. The trucks we run are the M2 106s, Freightliners with Summit bodies. They got big cranes, big compressor. They're probably one of the nicest trucks I've ever worked out of, to be honest. My favorite part is probably the one-on-one with the customer. You are the face. You're meeting the person who drives the truck, who depends on the truck, and the fact that they're counting on you to get their equipment running and keep it running.